Hi everybody, it's Bell from East Coast Mummy, and today I have a video full of easy and inexpensive Valentine's Day ideas. It's a good one. The first idea uses these tags I designed. You can download them for free on my blog. I'll leave a link in the description below. They say, "Donut forget that I think you are a great friend, and donut ever forget how much I love you." I grabbed these bags from the dollar store. I really like them because they come with this silver cardboard piece. You open the cellophane bag, insert the cardboard piece, and then insert your treats. For this one, you guessed it, I'm putting in a donut. You can make homemade donuts, you can make cookies that look like donuts, or you can just buy the donuts from the store, which is what I did. You can tie the top of the bag with the white ribbon that comes in the package with these bags, or you can grab a bit of twine. I like this red and white twine for Valentine's Day. Seal the top of the bag with the twine, and then add the cute punny tag that I designed. And that's it. Next up is a super cute and easy entertaining idea using inexpensive dollar store items. I grabbed these white containers from the dollar store. They come two to a pack, these red chocolate hearts, and this red tray. I grabbed 4 packages of these red foil covered chocolate hearts, and I cut them open and dumped them into the bowl. Then I arranged them in the bowl so that the nice part of the foil was on top. Next, I popped some popcorn, and to keep things simple, I just had a bag of microwave popcorn. I poured it in the tray all around the dish full of chocolates, and that was it. I think this would be so cute for a movie night or a Valentine's Day party or just an after dinner treat. I found this adorable bag of felt heart stickers at Dollarama, and I knew they would be perfect for a bunch of art projects this Valentine's Day. They come with a paper backing, and when you peel it off, it's sticky on the back side of the felt heart. I decided to turn the felt hearts into a Valentine's Day wall hanging. I started with a dowel, and I tied a piece of ribbon to each end of the dowel to make a hanger. I love the simplicity of this craft, and I think it turned out super cute. If you're looking for a Valentine's Day craft for teens or adults or even kids, I think this one would work really well. The next step is to cut some strips of yarn. I cut 7 long strips, folded them in half, looped them around the dowel, and pulled the yarn through. I repeated the step for all 7 pieces of yarn, and I tried to space them out evenly. Next comes the fun and creative part, adding the felt stickers. So you peel the back off the stickers and attach them to a piece of yarn wherever you think it should go. And then you take a second heart that's the same color and size and add it to the back. You just repeat this process until you're happy with the way it looks, and that's it. You can leave it like this, or you can cut the yarn at the bottom. You can cut it into a straight line. You can make it into a V shape. I decided to cut each individual strand at the bottom of the hearts. And this is how it turned out. Pretty cute, right? Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this one? Next up is a Valentine's Day gift idea using the same felt hearts that I used in the previous project. I grabbed this jar from the dollar store, washed it out, and grabbed my felt stickers. I thought these adorable felt stickers would be perfect for dressing up a plain old jar for Valentine's Day. I grabbed one of the big red ones and attached it to the top of the jar, and I took some of the smaller pink and red ones and added them to the sides of the jar. Next, it was time to add something to the inside of this adorable jar. I decided to fill the jar with some cookie mix from the dollar store. I emptied the bag into the jar, and then I cut out the instructions from the back of the bag. I folded up the instructions and used some tape to attach them to the back of the tags I designed. The gift tags can be downloaded for free from my blog, and I'll leave a link in the description below. I used a hole punch to punch a hole in the corner of the tag, and then I attached to the jar with a piece of red and white twine. The tags say, "A little treat for someone sweet." And seriously, what makes a sweeter Valentine's Day gift than a jar full of cookie mix? I hope you like all these easy and inexpensive ideas for Valentine's Day. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.